Hi Sarah, my name is Jessica and I'm just going to go over a few things about your website with you today. So if you notice, this is your website right here. It looks like it's really well laid out, which is great. You guys have a little bit of content on here and you've got some different pages in the background, which is awesome. You'll notice that you guys actually don't have a lot of content on your homepage. Google's looking for about 1,500 plus words of content on the homepage alone. And so by adding that content, that'll help you guys to rank higher in Google so you can get more of that organic traffic. If we come over here to one of your competitors, Pfeirfer Roofing, you'll notice that they have more content than you. And one thing that they do with their content so it doesn't look like a super long homepage is they have this accordion right here. So if you click on these, it hides some of the content in here, which is a great way to have that content on your website so you can still rank for it, but it doesn't seem like it's a super long page. Another thing too that you can do as well for some on-site SEO is when you save these pictures on your site, if you save the image as just like you have here, roof replacement with boom. If you save these as keywords, this is great because it helps you to rank for those keywords again, which is super helpful. So now if we go over here, this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs. We pay for this tool and it just shows you the background on a website and what's going on with that. You guys have a little bit of traffic and value for that traffic, which is great. You've got some backlinks going on, which help your power and your trust right here. We are looking for a 1-to-1 ratio with these right here, and this is just done by adding your backlinks and referring domains, getting rid of some of the spammy ones that might come up with some of this, and getting these ratios up closer to 100 and more of a 1-to-1 ratio. And adding that content in like we were talking about allows you to use more keywords. And keywords are great because you can come in here and see that roof shingles get searched for 28,000 times a month. It does have a keyword difficulty of about 59, so it is harder to rank. And another thing with this too is you want more specific to your area. So this one, Roofing Salem, Oregon, is more specific to your area. This one's going to just give you traffic from all over the world and the nation and stuff like that. So targeting some of these more local ones will help you to get that local traffic, which is what you guys want to be able to do roofs locally. And so getting this volume of 150, that's still a lot. It's not 28,000, but 150 search volume a month is still a good keyword to target. And so if we come over here, you can see that Portland Roofers, they've got a lot going on too as well. Some backlinks, they've got some trust and power just like you guys do as well. And so another thing we can look at is compare some of these keywords. They have Portland Roofers, which gets searched about 3,500 times a month. It is a little bit more difficult to rank again with that 23, but it's still definitely doable. Another thing too to keep in mind is for your GMB or Google My Business, if you're looking at searching something on Google, you'll notice the map pack. And so in that map pack is some citations. That's what helps to rank that higher. And so you get searched faster towards the top of the map pack. So then you get more of that search volume by getting those citations and optimizing your GMB to the fullest. And so that is just kind of a few things that can help you guys to outrank your competitors. And if you guys are interested in working with us, or if you have any more questions on how to outrank your competitors, please reach back out to us. We'd love to talk to you more.